it's been so long since I made a video, but I had exams and I got busy with work and I went on holiday and all that jazz, but I'm back. Guess who's back? Back again. Vidge is back. Tell a friend. Guess who's back? Guess who's back? Guess who's back? Guess who's back? Okay, I'm going to stop embarrassing myself now. Anyway, so this video I feel like has been a long time coming because I see so many people are always like to me, oh, like, what do you do? My hair's a mess, but what do you do to get such long hair? Your hair is so nice, da-di-da, not trying to gas myself up, touch wood. I'm going to still have a lot more hair, but yeah, people just like my hair. So I thought, why not do a video that kind of gives you what I do to my hair, how I keep it healthy, and how I keep it long. So if you think this video is useful to you, then please press like, comment with what you think and what you want to see in my future videos, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button, y'all, because that's very important. So let's get started. So first tip for maintaining long hair is to cut your hair, okay? And I'm not saying go from nearly your hair's like your bum to like a big chop here, because that's what I used to do every year because I just love short hair as well as long hair. But there comes a point in your life where it's just not going to grow, okay? Because I did that about 3 years ago and my hair did not grow. It literally was like here, and it grew here within like 6 months, and then here within a year. And for me, my hair would go from here to in front of, like, just above my bum in 1 year. So I was like, something is going wrong. I don't know what it is, but I need to sort out my hair. So I suggest every 6 months you should get a trim. And when I say get a trim, I mean ask your hairdresser to just look at your hair at the ends and think and look and see, okay, which ones, where does it look dry, and just cut it up onto there. So if it's only up here and that bit is dry, just cut it off and your hair will grow, trust me. I've had my hair trimmed every 6 months for so, like, how many years? I think it's like 1 or 2 years now. And I can see a difference, and my hair grows very quickly now, which is key, because if you want to have long hair, which is why y'all here watching this video, then that's what you gotta do. Alright? Second tip, I say second, I don't mean 4, I mean second, so 2. Number 2 is you gotta have the right shampoo and conditioner for your hair. What I mean by that is, if you've got dry hair, there's no point in you using a shampoo for silky hair because it doesn't make sense. And I know it seems like common sense, but loads of people will just buy shampoo because it's like, oh, that one's on an offer, I'm gonna just go get that. But if it is not catered to your hair, then breathe in. So the shampoo and conditioner I like to use is Argan. So I use the conditioner and a shampoo, and I know loads of people don't believe in conditioner, but I just feel like I haven't washed my hair until I put conditioner after the shampoo, and that's just something I like to do. You don't have to do that. Conditioner's not really gonna make that much difference to your hair. I know loads of people that just shampoo their hair and they have really long hair, but for me, I just like to put conditioner on because I just feel like that's it, my routine is done. But conditioner actually helps detangle your hair, and it just gives that silky finish after. Obviously shampoo is the main thing that you need to use, but yes, very importantly, Argan I use is because, if y'all can see, it is for dry, can you see that? Dry / unruly hair, okay? And this is also good for coloured hair, and I have coloured hair, obviously, but my hair can get really dry. And the thing is, my hair used to be very silky, but I've now changed shampoos because my hair is now dry, and that's called catering to your hair, okay? Tip number 3. Okay, so I don't really straighten or curl my hair often, only for like big occasions. That is one thing that's going to help. If you do straighten your hair a lot, don't be surprised if you've got split ends. And probably the big thing you'll have to do is get a big chop to get rid of your split ends, because your hair's not going to grow when you have split ends in it. It will just keep splitting and splitting and splitting. So if your split ends start here and end here, I'm sorry, boo, you're going to have to cut it off because it's just not going to happen. But if you are someone that straightens your hair and you don't have split ends, good. So what you should use is a heat protection, because that is the key thing that's going to help your hair be healthy and glossy and silky and whatever, but this is going to help it maintain its healthiness. So I use Schwarzkopf. It's called Guardian Angel, and it's 220 heat protection. Y'all see that? So I can use this for blow dry my hair, or if I'm using a flat iron, which is like straightener and stuff. And this is just really good. You don't even need to use that much. You just spray generously through the hair and you're good to go. Straighten or curl, whatever you want to do, whatever is going on. Number 4 is whenever I wash my hair, I let my hair obviously air dry, because there is a myth that says you should blow dry your hair. No, you should actually air dry your hair. Lord knows which one is the correct way, but I've been air drying my hair for a few years now and my hair's long. I feel like blow drying your hair is forcing your hair to go from, wet to dry very quickly, and the temperature is obviously bad for your hair, so I like to air dry for that purpose. Tip number 5. So as my hair is air drying, obviously it's quite damp, I use argan oil. So it comes in a box like this, and it's hair treatment. It's got Moroccan argan oil extract. It's very good for the hair. The bottle actually looks like this, and what it says is if you've got short hair, well, not short hair, but if you've got hair that's like about here, then you should use 2 to 3 pumps throughout your hair, and you distribute it evenly, so from roots to ends. If you've got longer hair like me, then 4 to 5 pumps is quite necessary. I do about 4 because I feel like 5 then becomes too much and too oily, and you don't want your hair to look greasy after you've just washed it, so just make sure you distribute it evenly. But I feel like as I've been using sorry, the oil went in my hand, really gross. But I feel like after I've been using this argan oil, it has actually improved my hair a lot. Argan oil is really good because it actually strengthens your hair. So what it says is what argan oil actually does, it's formulated using the oil from the fruit of the argan tree, and it is enriched with vitamin E, which is a natural antioxidant to nourish and rejuvenate dry and damaged hair. The concentrated formula will help protect the hair whilst adding shine and reducing frizz. So if you're someone that has a lot of frizz, like you wash your hair and you're looking a little bit like a lion with the mane, it's all just out there, then using an oil will actually help to tame your frizz. Or if you've got something like Frizz Ease, any brand sells Frizz Ease, but that's also good because my sister has a lot of frizz and she uses that and it actually calms down her hair a lot. But argan oil is actually really good. I use that one, but I went to Marrakesh and I actually visited their argan oil factory, and it's amazing. If you haven't gone to Marrakesh, when you do, you should go there, because you actually watch the ladies sit there and crush the argan and make all this madness. They make lotion, they make face masks, they make hair masks, they make I can't even remember, they make so many things, and we literally bought everything because that's what we do. I even got a bottle for my acne on my back, and it's actually lightened up my skin amazingly, so it's just amazing. So oil is really, really good for the hair. As opposed to argan oil, lots of people are using castor oil. There's so many oils out there, but every oil is good for your hair, so whatever one that you're comfortable with using, then use that. I use argan oil because that's what I'm used to, that's what my mom taught me to use, so yeah, use whatever oil. My last tip, which is my 6th tip, okay, this one is actually important. I think this made the major difference to my hair growing, was changing the temperature of the water that I wash my hair in. I always used to wash my hair in very hot water because we easily get cold. I mean, England is not exactly the warmest country, is it? But in summer, especially the summer that we just had, it was very easy for me to change the temperature of the water. So I was actually having cold showers, and because it was so hot, it actually felt nice to have a cold shower. Even now, I do wash my hair in cold water. You're probably thinking, is she mad? It's not that deep, guys. Literally, all I do is I make sure I have a shower in warm hot water, but I put it on to about lukewarm with my hair in winter. In summer, cold water, and that you really see the difference in how much your hair grows. People may think it's common sense, but honestly, lots of people didn't know that. And when people do see me and ask, what is your secret? Why do you have long hair? I just say, you know what? I have a shower in cold water, and they're like, are you mad? Like, have you seen the weather? How can you wash your hair in cold water? But if you honestly cannot take the cold, I'm quite a warm person. So when I feel like I cannot have a cold shower, sometimes I like to throw my head over the tub and then I wash my hair in cold water. And then I get into the shower and I have a shower in warm water. And I know it's effort, but if you do want to actually take care of your hair, because hair makes a big difference, guys, then yeah, if you don't and you're not bothered, then I don't know why you're watching my video. But if you do want to have long hair and healthy hair, that is one of my big secrets, is that I actually wash my hair in cold water. Lukewarm water is still as good because it's not as damaging as the very hot boiling water that we will tend to have our showers in. So big tip of the day is that. And yeah, those are my main 6 tips that I do whenever I wash my hair every day. That is what I do. So those are my 6 tips for healthy long hair. This is what I believe works for my hair, guys. It may not necessarily work for you, but hopefully it does. So if you did like this video, please press like. Please comment if you've used any of these tips, or if you have any other tips you'd like to share, then by all means share them, because I would love to learn new things about how to keep my hair healthy and long. And also subscribe to my channel, because you gotta subscribe. Come on, what you doing? And yeah, I'll see y'all in the next video. But thank you for watching, and thanks for all the love and support. And yeah, see ya. Bye.